So this is the ERP script or website that we plan to deploy for your event center. So it's going to carry your domain, say amanieventcenter.com.ng, and once you hit that page, you can select where you want to log in, and once you click login, each of your staff or those who are going to be accessing resources on the program will be able to go in and make changes or perform their duties, make sales, add products and more. So you as the super admin, you will log in, and when you go in, you have your dashboard where it has mostly all you want to see. So here on the left we have the proper side of accounting. Here you have all your expenses. You can add an expense, you can list your expense and put your expense categories like utilities, purchases, communications, data charges, advertisements, many categories. And then you can put different kinds of stock. You add a stock type if you sell items, and then you have vendors like people who sell new products like reps or companies that you buy stuff from. So you can add all the things you buy from them, and then you can also list them here as your suppliers, and then you can have individual customers where you create their names, and subsequently they can have a portfolio in your site where you can see all they have purchased in the past few years. Then this is also part of the human resource, which I will touch later. Then you can make sales, which is the POS side you were talking about. In the POS side, if we click on POS, or I click on POS from here, all the products that you have or services that you have in your business will be listed here. And if I come here and just maybe search by barcode or search by the product name, I just type now. I've not registered any product, so it's going to be blank. I'll be able to make a sale. I'll select the type of payment, whether it's e-transfer, whether it's a card payment, POS or cash, anywhere. So when you do that and you save, let me go back. When you save, if you come to reports, you'll be able to see all your total sales that was made for a particular period. So your cashiers can in a day give you a summary of what they've done, and so on and so forth. Then there's the human resource side, which allows you add all your staff, to give them their leave, monitor their attendance, how much they earn and how much is going to be deducted, the tax, payee, NSITF, all categories of deductions, all we specify them here. The holidays they have, if they are giving 1 month leave, or Christmas or Salah, or all the departments you have in your business like that will be displayed here. So basically this is what the program looks like, but here in the report is what I want to show you. There are different categories of report. You have all your expense reports, all your items reports, your stock balance, how much you have on ground. So if you have a store, for example, a physical store where you sell items, what is on the shelf on those items should tally what is going to be shown at the end of your summary. Right now I don't have any products installed, everything is blank. So the program is very flexible, it's adjustable, you can add anything you want, you can list your products directly on your website and people can start to buy from there. And you can also allow somebody to work on this from any location in the world. That's the reason why it's going to be hosted online. And another advantage of hosting it online is that you'll be able to secure it, make daily backups. We have a backup where you can store the backup of all your records through your email, on Dropbox or any cloud services that are free online, so that in case anything happens to the site, which we don't pray for, we'll just restore the most recent backup. We can even make automated backups that allow us backup on a daily basis. Then finally, you spoke about branches, or stores. So if you want to have a separate store aside the main one, if I go to all businesses, you can see the main Amani Business Center. We can add all the other ones. You can add up to 10. You're not limited by, and you're only limited by the size of your bandwidth, which is your online states. So we put all this, and you can have all your stock. So if you want to make a stock transfer, you can now transfer from one branch to the other if we allow here, so it gives us all the room to be able to make any kind of modification we want to make on the site. So I don't know if there's anything specific you like or something you've not seen that this program can do, but based on our discussion on Instagram, I think this is all I feel you will like. So please go through it and let me know.